Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce the 12.3-inch touchscreen display radio stereo for Toyota Corolla 2019 to 23 years. Okay, let me show the head unit. It will come with special harness. This is special harness come with head unit together. Okay, and this harness and this metal installation, this screws. Okay, let me show the head unit. It also comes with this canvas decoder. Okay, and you can choose Belsee, music, and Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. Any color you can adjust this panel. Set the theme color. Okay. Already this Android settings. Already built Wi-Fi supports the SIM card slot. You can connect the 4G, and you can visit our website and contact to us. Non-press, you can choose the app like Bluetooth, and already built in the Play Store. You can download the applications and Bluetooth, Google Maps, and instructions for user manual already built in the system. Auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This for the same style of head unit. You also can change the same style. Okay, different theme style. When you're back, you can choose it. And you can set the calendar always, and the head unit, radio, music, video, Bluetooth, these settings. About device, and this factory settings, password, Please set this break with 0. If not, you can't watch a video. Okay. And this Android settings. Let me check the device volume. Android volume 12. Latest style. Memory total 8 GB. And storage total 128 GB. This steering wheel controls in the display and other settings. Okay, you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website and contact to us. Okay, and already built in the Google Maps. And you can play the music from the USB or internal. You can copy the file to internal. It's USB, and you can run the Google Map and navigation and the music at the same time. It's Google Maps and music. Okay. This DSP amplifier. Sub out. And video. This is 4K video. It's picture in picture. Okay. And this radio. You can connect the radio antenna, such as a radio station, and Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone and search and your phone will get this message. Please click pair. Okay, and you can make phone call.
您好，欢迎致电中国联通。普通话请按1，廣東話請按2。For English service, please click 3.
Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call, and you can stream music from your phone. Okay. Stream music. This is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, you can visit our website to contact to us. Belsee.com, Belsee.com. Okay, thank you.